Enterprise automation has reshaped contact centers, creating high-pressure environments where agents handle complex, emotionally charged interactions. Deloitte research shows turnover rates reaching 52%, costing mid-sized centers over $4.5 million annually in staff replacement. Agents now face relentless challenges assisting distressed customers and navigating complex workflows. This shift demands cognitive and emotional resilience, leading to stress, longer handle times, and rising turnover. The traditional model of gradual skill building is fading. Contact center leaders see the impact. Customer satisfaction scores dip, average handle time increases, and first contact resolution suffers. These metrics are crucial, especially in regulated sectors like finance and healthcare, where poor performance risks compliance and reputation. AI agents, unlike self-service bots, offer dynamic, context-aware support. They integrate natural language understanding and enterprise systems to guide agents, automate tasks, and ensure compliance. This convergence of technology maturity and enterprise readiness is transforming contact centers. To harness AI's potential, organizations must focus on adoption, trust, and performance. Essentials include trusted knowledge, CRM integration, AI-powered guidance, seamless workflows, compliance frameworks, feedback loops, and omni-channel support. These elements redefine agent experience in the AI era. Provision provides expert advisory services for IT asset management and procurement.